Welcome guys, welcome to our video about our Minecraft. Today we're going to play still, the one-person survival. Here was super great, but now I set a goal. If you guys can have a beat 10 likes, no, I will lower because I don't make so many videos. So if you can have 5 likes, and I will do in the next video. If you guys can do it, or 5 or 1 subscribe, I will do a new video for you guys to keep looking about our new world. Please select world and then let's go. Maybe today we need to go back to the oceans. Maybe. Night. It's so dark. I'm going to change my mode on easy. Change mode. Difficulty. Easy. Guys, you know what? That some of the ores are not worthy, but some of the ores are so worthy. Yeah, cook salmon. I don't know what about grenade. Kelps. Let's go to plant some. 2. We're so close to the morning. Yeah. Here's where we have water. Oops. Get the water and go down to get the fish. Bucket of salmon. Let's do this. I will dig some more. Guys, you know what? I can teach you something about 1.13 because everything was about. I have 10 wool so I can make a bed, but I just don't. I look so full. Here's to contain those cobblestone. Cobblestone. Let's press a bed. Let's see. We have a torch. Put a torch here. And make a bed. Yeah, whatever. We're only doing white bed. That's okay.你已经玩很久了，我刚刚根本就没在玩。
我刚刚也是这样，根本就没在玩，然后你也说，
对，反正你有看。
但是你已经看15分钟，我那也是15分钟，啊。
Sorry for my brothers talking, and now maybe we're going to pause the video for just a while. Maybe later I'm going to come back to keep making record. Alright, guys, welcome back to our video. You guys must be think that it's not a long time, but did you know what? That I'm making this video was in the morning, like 11 o'clock, but now it's like 5 o'clock. Long time. Why I always forgot to plant you kelp? Let's make a kelp farm. What's happened to my fish? Okay, the cowbell, the special thing was if you make it deeper, that you can have a, okay, this is a, oh, stop. What did I just throw away? This is so good, fire protection. I forgot to make some things. Block? Not block? Why it's not on here? Actually, I can make the irons now. Sorry. Let's see. Wait, what is it? What is it? Ooh, ew. And okay, let's try that. Let's go to collect. I need to clear some of my pockets, so I will using this to. Okay, I'm done. Done. And using E, throw away the clay. And get some wood. It's always same. It's always same. You know what? Now it's time for me to do something else. I must need to make a places for my kelps. So let's just clean up here. Three. Okay, the fire will be ready. But not the woods. So I will clean the grass behind the wood. It gets done. 3, 4. Lucky Terry. Let me think about that. Using 7. 4. Wait, I don't want this. I don't want it. Well, I just need to throw it away. I'm done. So easy. Some cold air here. That's so interesting. But if you guys really you want to see kelpas growing on the other things that look like normal, like the grasses, I can do it. But now it will only for you guys. What the heck? And then I will using tail. One time. And come here. Yeah, I forgot here is another pound. 7? No, 6. Oh yeah, I forgot my home behind has another pound. 6. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Let's see. This is the infinity water, so you need to using 2 buckets of water. But not for this deep. You only has 1 layer of it, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. And you can make the infinity water. But if you're doing it right, if you're doing infinity water here, here, and here, and here, 1 and 1 at both of here, and you can make 1. That's what I'm talking about. Kelps, kelps, kelps. Kelps, kelps, kelps. Shift. Oops. Oh yeah, it's a little bit light. Okay, I will set today. Time search day. Here was so deep I only can see barely. But here can make the kelps grow so big until this top. So I chosen as this. Let's get some of those. Glowstone. Something that I forget. Something that I was forget. This rabbit was so strong. Let's put our cobblestone back. Here's my cobblestone. There we go. Today we're going to the nether. Before, in the last episode, I already said to you guys that I made this door. You do not need to get those all became the like obsidian. You can using the edges, or you can without edges. You still can go make this one. This is a little tricks like. This is like a little tricks. But something's not right because that in the game that you, okay. This is do we need more glowstone? Oops.